Imagine you're in a tight spot. You need money fast. You've exhausted all your options and the clock is ticking. Where do you turn? Albert is a popular microfinance institution known for its quick and easy loan approvals. But what are the actual requirements to borrow from them? Are they as accessible as they seem? Let's dive in and find out. Requirement 1. Age and residency. To qualify for a loan from Albert, you must be at least 18 years old and a Nigerian resident. This is a standard requirement to ensure that the borrower is legally capable of entering into a loan agreement. Requirement 2. Income and employment. Albert typically requires proof of income or employment. This is to ensure that you have the financial means to repay the loan. While they may consider self-employed individuals, you'll likely need to provide documentation to verify your income. Requirement 3. Bank account. A valid Nigerian bank account is essential for borrowing from Albert. This is where the loan funds will be disbursed, and it's also where your loan repayments will be deducted. Make sure your account is active and has sufficient funds for any initial fees or charges. Requirement 4. Identity verification. You'll need to provide valid identification documents, such as a national ID card, driver's license, or international passport. This is to verify your identity and prevent fraud. Requirement 5. Credit history. While Albert may not have strict credit score requirements, having a good credit history can certainly improve your chances of approval and potentially secure more favorable loan terms. A positive credit history demonstrates your reliability as a borrower. Additional considerations. Beyond the basic requirements, there are a few other factors that Albert may consider when evaluating your loan application. These include your loan purpose, loan amount, and repayment terms. It's always a good idea to be prepared to provide additional documentation if requested. The application process. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, you can apply for a loan from Albert. They offer both online and in-person application options. The application process is generally straightforward and should take a relatively short time. Loan approval and disbursement. After submitting your application, Albert will review your documents and assess your eligibility. If approved, you'll receive a loan offer with the terms and conditions. Once you accept the offer, the loan funds will be disbursed to your designated bank account. Repayment. Repaying your loan is crucial to maintaining a good credit history and avoiding any penalties. Albert will provide you with a repayment schedule, which outlines the amount due and the due date for each payment. Make sure to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and other charges. So, are you ready to borrow from Albert? If you meet the basic requirements and can provide the necessary documentation, you may be eligible for a loan. Remember to carefully review the terms and conditions of the loan offer before accepting it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.